Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Rahul Phate's innovation, where the concept of herbs meet modern cosmetology, where the science of cosmetology and beauty are studied at a molecular level, a product based on indigenous research. Cetalife Cleansing Lotion. Cetalife is a deep pore balancing cleanser for complete skin care. It is a luxurious cleanser, pH balanced with protective and moisturizing properties. It is a classic cleanser for all types of skin. It is a very gentle and non-foaming formulation. It is also hypoallergenic and does not sensitize the skin. It is very suitable for skin with acne and pimples because of its soothing, non-irritation action and calming effects. Cetalife removes impurities from the skin such as dead skin cells, excessive oil, toxins and dirt. It is a very gentle yet effective softening cleanser because it removes the impurities from the skin without drying the skin or causing irritation or redness. It can be used on the face as well as the whole body. Cetalife is most effective for sun damaged skin and irritated hypersensitive skin. Order now from the link below in the description for beautiful cleansing effect. This is Vikrant Oberoi. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.